In this video, we are going to discuss about the spectrum. What is spectrum? What are the types of the spectrum we are going to see in this video. Let us start with the definition. The image recorded when the radiant energy is passed through the prism or grated is called spectrum. When the radiant energy or the energy in the form of radiation is passed through the prism, the image is formed on the screen. That image is considered as spectrum. The device used for recording the spectrum is known as spectrograph or spectrometer. Basically, the spectrum is of two types. One is continuous spectrum and the other one is discontinuous spectrum. Remember, continuous spectrum is the spectrum of sunlight where one color merges into another without any gap. In continuous spectrum, there is no gap between the lines or the bands obtained in the spectrum. Specifically, here in continuous spectrum, one color merges with the another color. That is nothing but there is no clear differentiation between the colors obtained in the spectrum. Example for the continuous spectrum is the light emitted from the incandescent solid. The second one is discontinuous spectrum. The spectrum having distinctive and well-defined line with gaps is known as discontinuous spectrum. Discontinuous spectrum have clear gaps between the lines or the bands obtained, whereas the continuous spectrum doesn't have the clear gaps between the lines or the bands obtained in the spectrum. Here again, the discontinuous spectrum is divided into two types. One is absorption spectrum and the other one is emission spectrum. Remember, absorption spectrum is the spectrum produced by the absorption of radiation, and absorption of radiation takes place when the electron is excited within a substance. Whenever the excitation of electron takes place within a substance, the absorption of radiation takes place, which can be represented in the form of spectra, and that spectra is considered as absorption spectra. We have seen under the postulates of Bohr's model, that is nothing but whenever an electron jumps from lower energy level to the higher energy level, the energy is absorbed, and that absorbed energy can be represented in the form of a spectra known as absorption spectrum. In absorption spectra, the lines obtained are dark lines on the bright background. Spectrum. Emission spectrum is the spectrum produced by the emission of radiation, and emission of radiation takes place when the electron is de-excited. That is nothing but when the electron jumps from higher energy level to lower energy level, the de-excitation of electron takes place. In the process of de-excitation of electron, the radiation is emitted. That emitted radiation can be recorded in the form of a spectrum. In emission spectrum, bright lines are obtained on the dark background. Emission spectrum is again divided into two types. One is line spectrum and the other one is band spectrum. Line spectrum is also known as atomic spectrum, whereas band spectrum is also known as molecular spectrum. Line spectrum is exhibited by the gaseous atom, so it is also considered as atomic spectrum, whereas band spectrum is characteristics of gaseous molecules, so it is considered as molecular spectrum.